How to fix sound not working on Mac. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and tap on the Apple icon on the top left of your screen, and in the menu that appears, tap on the System Settings option. Further, scroll down and navigate to Sound and tap on it, and then tap on the Output option. Make sure your MacBook speakers are selected and the AirPods or any other external device is not selected. If it is selected, then disconnect the external devices. Go ahead and unplug headphones, USB hubs, or HDMI cables. Sometimes your Mac routes audio through them even if nothing is playing. See if that fixes your issue, and if not, then try to restart the core audio. So press the command and spacebar keys and then type in terminal and open terminal. Now go ahead and type this command, that is sudo kill all core audio D. You can simply copy whatever I have written on the screen. Now press enter and you will be required to enter your password. So enter your password and press enter again, and this will restart the audio driver instantly. And if your issue is still not fixed, then open System Settings again and tap on General and then on Software Update. Make sure your Mac OS is updated to its latest version for the apps to function smoothly. And if not, then install any available updates. And lastly, go ahead and shut down your Mac completely and wait for 10 seconds, and then press and hold the power button until options appear. Simply reset your NVRAM automatically and your issue should have been fixed by now. If not, you can visit Apple support or schedule a Genius Bar appointment. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix sound not working on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.